So the question is saying a is equals to 2 raised to power n into 3 into 5 raised to power m. Obviously, this is the prime factorization of a. Why? Because this 2, this 3, and this 5 all are the prime numbers. So we know the prime factorization of our number a. We have to write the prime factorization or product of powers of prime factors, that is the prime factorization of 8a. It's very simple. Can you write the prime factorization of 8? Yes, whatever you will have
Cube.
into
Cube.
the prime factorization of a, that is already given. So prime factorization of a is already given. It is 2 raised to power n into 3 into 5 raised to power n. You have to just write the prime factorization of 8. Can you tell me the prime factorization of 8?
2 cube.
Exactly. So now you can simplify this. You can use your law of exponent. So it will be, see, 2 raised to power 3 times 2 raised to power n. Same base, so power gets added. So it should be 2 raised to power 3 plus n times 3 times 5 raised to power n. That should be our answer. Any doubt? Clear?
Don't you also add the m to with 3?
No. Do no. Do you have any other number whose base is 5? No. So you cannot add this m with anyone. See, this 3 is also alone. There is no any other prime factor which has the base 3 in this prime factorization. So this 3 raised to power 1 will be as it is. Yes, any doubt?
No.
Okay, very good.